up, guys? It's Stevie here, and I'm gonna bring you some Minecraft weed. Today I'm gonna be joined by Bonnie Smith. Well, I'm not gonna be joined because it's not my world, but if you want to follow his world, shout out.
I see nations worshiping. I see nations on bended knees. I see nations honoring Jesus our Lord, the King of Kings. Worship, yeah.
I see nations on bended
I see the nations,
nations honoring
Jesus.
Jesus our Lord, the King of Kings.
The nations will fear you, oh God. Bring glory to your name. For you alone are holy, oh God. All nations will worship you. I see the nations. I see the nations bended knees. Jesus, our Lord. The nations will fear you, oh God. Bring glory to your name. For you alone are holy, oh God. All nations will worship you. All the nations will fear you. Oh Lord, bring glory to your name. You alone are holy. You alone are holy, oh God. All nations worship you, yeah. All nations will worship you. All nations will worship you. Are you a part of the nations tonight? Said, are you a part of the nations tonight? Are you a worshiper of the Almighty? Well, you're a part of the nations who will bring glory to his name. Bring glory to his name. Say, I see the nations. I see the nations. I see the nations. We're worshiping you, Lord. Say, I see the nations. Come on and worship before him now. Oh, I see the nations. Woo. On every continent, I see the nations. Listen, from Asia and Africa, I see Europe and the Middle East. I see the North Americas, South America, worshiping you, Lord. I see Oceania, I see the Caribbean, I see them giving you glory, Lord. Worshiping. Woo. see the nation. I see the nation.
Okay, I'm gonna end this video here, everyone. So, see y'all later. And remember, keep watching and subscribe. More! Also subscribe to the Gaming Universe. He's awesome. He's one of my friends.